Welcome to AC Tech Talk. I'm Kevin, and this is the third part of our series for wiring in the ion zone system. Next step is to run a wire from our zone board to our remote room sensor. As you can see here, we have one of our remote room sensors wired in. You only need 2 wires, and there's no wire color preference for these connections. We now have our remote room sensors tied into our zone board. As you can see here, they're connected to zone 2 and zone 3. Again, there's no color preference on the wires. Just make sure that you use the same colors here that you did at your wall sensor. Also note, we did not connect any sensor to zone 1 because our ion wall controller is going to be used for that zone. Now that our zone board is completely wired up, we want to go ahead and power up the outdoor unit, power up your zone board and your indoor unit, and finally, go to your ion wall controller, place it onto the sub-base, and follow the installation prompts. And this concludes our series for wiring in the ion zone system.